Hey everyone, welcome to the short video series on Elasticsearch in Python. In the previous video, we discussed how to combine multiple queries using must not, and should. Now this chapter is going to be really interesting because we are going to include regular expressions into Elasticsearch. Now I presume that you are familiar with regular expressions. I will be soon working out a video on regex, but for this video, I expect you to have a basic knowledge of it. Now let's just see what data we already have in ES for us before we combine regex in ES. So for the three IDs in which I had data, I just ran the get query and got all those three documents. So we have sentences as today's a sunny day, today's a bright sunny day, and today's a rainy day. Now, so we are going to apply regex to match any of these sentences. Now, but before we go into that, let's just see the match query that we have already discussed in previous video. So here it's a match query that matches sunny and in all the sentences. So we're going to make a minor changes in this. So instead of match, we go to regexp. So that means regular expression. And instead of sunny, we are going to put up our regular expression. So here, just for simplicity, match everything. Let's just match everything. So this regular expression matches everything, and rightly so, we get three documents retrieved. We can just see what those three documents are by changing the size to 3, and then here it is. So we got all those three documents from correctly retrieved from the ES. Let's just make it a little complicated. We'll include instead of matching everything, we are going to match only those documents which has sun as a subset. And let's just see what output we get. So we get a total of 2 documents, which is expected again because our sun is present in sunny and in bright sunny. So just to confirm, we'll change the size to 2 and see the output. So here it is. So today is a bright sunny day and today is a sunny day. These are the 2 outputs that we got rightly correct. And so you can go ahead and use different regular expressions on your data and see how cool it is to have regular expressions in ES. Now, just to be careful, the performance of ES is dependent on the kind of regex query you use. So it will be preferable that you have long prefixes before any wildcard characters such as plus or asterisk. So that's it from this video. Hope you liked it. The code and my LinkedIn contact is shared below. Please feel free to connect with me, and if you have certain topics on which you want a video of, then please ping me. Thank you.